Welcome to Jim's Kitchen, and 'tis the season for celebrating. Well, I am part of an exciting cookbook collaboration. This collaboration is all about Christmas movies that you love and then cooking things from a special cookbook. Well, the cookbook that I'm using today is one I haven't cooked from before. It's this Dr. Seuss Green Eggs and Ham cookbook. And yes, there is definitely a recipe in here from a very special Christmas movie that's both live action and a cartoon. It's How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I'm going to be making something called Who Pudding from Whoville. Thank you so much to my pals for hosting this collaboration. It's the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid and Holly's Homemade Haven.
This picture's from when I got to see the actual sleigh from the film.
Then he slunk to the icebox. He took the Who's feast. He took the Who pudding. He took the roast beast. He cleaned out that icebox as quick as a flash. Why, that Grinch even took their last can of Who hash. Medium saucepan, a third cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of quick cooking tapioca, 2 3/4 cups of milk, and 1 beaten egg. So I'm gonna mix that and then I'm gonna let it stand off the heat for 5 minutes. Now you need to put it on medium heat and bring it to a full rolling boil. Come to a boil, let's remove it from the heat. I need a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of orange zest. Stir that in and then allow it to cool for 20 minutes. It's thickened, give it a stir. I'm gonna pour that into some bowls and allow it to chill in the fridge while I make the Who sauce. I need a 1/2 cup of frozen or fresh raspberries, a 1/4 cup of orange juice, and a tablespoon of sugar. Let's blend it and strain it to remove the seeds. Time to drizzle on that sauce. Add a little whipped cream and a couple raspberries. Who pudding? It's wonderful. Love that raspberry flavor. The tapioca pudding bit is very exciting. It's a nice pudding. It's so wonderful to watch a Christmas film and enjoy a special treat that goes with the film. What's your favorite Christmas movie? If you want to see more ideas of what people are making to celebrate Christmas movies and cookbooks, you'll have to check the playlist in my description. Thanks to Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid and Holly's Homemade Haven for hosting this collaboration. Why does the Grinch hate knock-knock jokes? Because there's always who's there.
Stink, stink, stunk.